Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So let's begin with this really simple recipe. I've taken 3 medium egg yolks and I'm giving it a mix with a hand mixer. The idea is that we're going to make this mixture, a pale yellow. It really helps in the end product of this cake. Now I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of a sweetener. I've used a stevia erythritol blend and I keep mixing by adding little bits. Look at the color that it's changing. It's turned into a lovely pale yellow. The fluffier you make it, the better will be your end product. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of almond flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give it a mix so that it's all combined. And now to this I'm going to be adding back to the yolk mixture. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mixing it again. Every time you get a chance to mix it once again. And now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter. The video got chopped off, but it'll come in your as now. And of course, mix again so that again we get it. The fluffier we get it, the better. And now I'm going to add the egg yolk mixture into the almond flour mix. Give it a mix, and one doesn't realize, but each time you're going to be mixing it in, it'll seem very coarse right now, but it's working its magic. Now there's exactly the same 3 medium eggs. I've fluffed up into stiff peaks the egg whites, and then you mix it and it'll seem like it's not mixing well, but use your spatula and keep mixing it, and then you'll see it loosening up, and that's the time you'll know it's well mixed. And now I'm going to put it into a square oven proof dish. It's about 7 inches by 7 inches. And I'm going to put in the mixture, and it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for about 35 to 40 minutes. Put it in the middle rack. I made the mistake of putting it at the bottom rack, and so the end product was a little extra brown. So let me show you what it looks after it's come out of the oven. So here we have it, and it's really light and fluffy. Of course, you can see my ends are very brown, which was because I placed it at the bottom rack and my oven was acting up. Now I'm cutting it into squares, and look how beautiful, light, fluffy these are. Great to have with a cup of coffee, and they taste yummalicious. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell so that you'll get notifications about all my future videos. Thanks a lot and lots of love always. Bye then.